A set of fittings to use on 8 suspension air valves with ½ inch NPT port using 3/8 of an inch outer diameter hoses for the airbags and 1/4 of an inch outer diameter hoses for the pressure gauges. This kit also includes 50 feet of 3/8 of an inch and 1/4 of an inch outer diameter hoses, 4 flow control fittings for the dump valves, pressure switch, drain valve and a hose cutter. All fittings in this kit are manufactured to the highest standards with premium brass material for maximum strength and durability.